Garage Beer, based out of Columbus, Ohio. It's a beer that tastes like beer. Not too bitter. Definitely not an IPA. It's good. I found it in Gatlinburg. Really wish I could find it here in Mississippi. Looks like I'll have to go over into Arkansas. That's probably the closest I could find. Come on, Mississippi. Let all breweries sell here. Snowfall in Mississippi. It's a silent war between winter and spring. Little Kitty's favorite show, Shogun. Last year, I saw this advertised on Facebook throughout the holiday season, and I checked all of the liquor stores in the area, and they never got it. Finally, we take a trip to Gatlinburg, and Michelle finds it in one of the liquor stores. She got it for me for Christmas. Really excited to try this out. It's not easy trying to open the jar and film pouring it in, so I went ahead and did that off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a sip without anything in it, and then afterward I'm gonna try putting the Mr. Black in there. See how that turns out. That's a very good eggnog. Better than what you normally find this time of year at a liquor store, at least. I don't really get Eggo from it. There might be a slight maple